Cozy morning reset routine, W coffee, and gentle cleaning vibes. Good morning, besties! Welcome to part 3 of our Cozy Fall series. Last night we went full soft night routine skincare, journaling, tea, and peace. But now we're stepping into the morning reset. Think gentle wake up, warm coffee in hand, a little movement, and setting the tone for a calm, intentional day. First things first, I open my blinds to let in that soft fall light, the one that makes your room feel like a Pinterest dream. Even if it's gray outside, morning light is magic, babe. I love just standing there for a minute, stretching, taking deep breaths, and letting my mind reset. Next, coffee time. I brewed a warm cup, sometimes with a splash of oat milk and cinnamon, and brought it to my cozy corner. Sipping slow is everything. We're not rushing through our morning, we're savoring it. I like to think of this coffee as my little power potion to start the day soft and intentional. Then comes a little movement. Nothing intense, just stretching, a few yoga poses, or walking around the apartment. Loosen up your shoulders, roll your neck, reach for the sky. Bestie, this is how we tell our bodies, good morning, you are cared for, you are appreciated. After that, I do a mini tidy up. I make the bed slowly, put dishes away, fluff my pillows, and wipe down counters. Cleaning doesn't have to be stressful when done slowly and intentionally. It's calming. It's part of the soft morning energy. Think Marie Kondo meets cozy fall vibes. Next, I set a little morning ritual. Maybe journaling, a short gratitude list, sometimes reading a quote, or planning my day with a soft aesthetic. I like to sip my coffee while doing this, wrapped in a blanket, feeling like the main character of my own life. This isn't productivity, this is presence. By mid-morning, I move into light breakfast prep, something nourishing and easy, maybe avocado toast, oatmeal with cinnamon and maple, or a warm smoothie. The goal isn't to make a perfect meal, it's to feed your body gently, like giving it a hug from the inside. And before I fully dive into work or life, I take a final pause. Maybe step outside for a breath of fresh air, maybe meditate for 5 minutes, maybe just admire the cozy vibes I've created. Part 3 of our series is about setting intention and softness for the whole day. Soft mornings make soft days, and soft days, they make soft lives. And besties, can we just appreciate how different a soft morning feels when you take time for yourself? Even a small pause before the day officially begins can completely shift your energy. No rushing, no phone scrolling, just light, warmth, and a little gratitude. After breakfast, I like to wash my face again, just lightly, not a full cleanse, but something to refresh and wake up the skin. I follow with a tiny bit of moisturizer and sunscreen. Even if it's cloudy, it's a little act of self-love. And telling your skin, I see you, I protect you, I care about you. Then I move into wardrobe selection, nothing stressful, babe. I pick soft, cozy layers, warm tones, oversized sweaters, leggings, fuzzy socks, whatever makes my body feel hugged. Clothes set the mood for your day as much as your mindset. When you feel cozy, you move cozy, you breathe cozy. While sipping the last bit of my coffee, I sometimes light another candle or keep the fairy lights on low. Ambient light in the morning, absolutely underrated. It's like a gentle nudge to my brain saying, today is calm, today is soft, today is yours. I also take a few minutes to write down intentions for the day. Not a to-do list, more like mood intentions. Today, I will move slowly. Today, I will prioritize my peace. Today, I will smile at myself in the mirror. These small reminders shape your energy way more than we realize. And bestie, don't underestimate the power of music. I put on something light and soft. Acoustic, indie, lo-fi, and it feels like a soundtrack to my life. Every sip of coffee, every stretch, every little tidy up feels cinematic. Like I'm the main character of my own cozy fall movie. Finally, before fully diving into work or life, I pause by my window or on my balcony if I have one. Take a deep breath, feel the air, watch the leaves, listen to the quiet. That little intentional moment sets the tone for the whole day. Soft mornings make soft days, and soft days, they make soft lives. And that's our full cozy morning reset, besties. Slow coffee, gentle cleaning, nourishing breakfast, soft layers, and intentional vibes. This is how we step into the day, feeling calm, grounded, and soft. If you made it to the end, I just want you to know you are already choosing peace and self-love, and I am proud of you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, babe. Drop any morning routine tips, cozy ritual ideas, or your favorite ways to start the day in the comments. I love hearing from you and chatting with y'all. And of course, if you want to add a little extra magic to your mornings, check out my Shopify store. We've got feminine lifestyle goodies, mugs, journals, candles, and more, all curated to help you create your soft life aesthetic. Link is in the description. Okay, love, take your morning slow. Sip your coffee like it's liquid gold, and remember, you are soft, capable, and worthy of this calm. Cozy energy. Let's carry this intentional vibe into the rest of our day. I'll see you in part 4 for more cozy lifestyle routines.